Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video on DOGELON MARS. Ladies and gentle peeps, the volume is tapering off and we are looking to either explode to the upside or retrace back down to this 12 level. This is a crucial point in DOGELON MARS history, guys. Let's draw the fib level out for us. Alright, so this is what we got to keep our eyes out on. So recently, we saw a little dip in the markets yesterday. However, today, we saw exactly what we wanted to see, which was a green day. We had a green day. It was somewhat neutral, but it did not keep going down. It was not a red day. So that's a good sign. Now, if the overall markets keep dipping, then we have a very strong chance of dipping down to this 12 area. And that is what we got to watch out for. Let me go to a smaller time frame so I can just show you guys some things, some stuff and things. So we're consolidating right on this 382 level, which is exactly what we love to see. It actually came down and faked some people out, hit some people's stops right here, whoever is shorting. And yeah, not shorting, whoever's going long in this, it came down, hit their stops, and now it is consolidating above this 382 level, which is exactly what we want to see, honestly. But this is a crucial point. We need to watch because this is a bull flag, as you can clearly tell. It's a huge bull flag, and I'll show you guys exactly what that is right now. A bull flag is just this. Ooh. Let me grab the trend line, guys. All right, ready? Boom. Bull flag, all right? Now, it looks kind of wacky, but this is a technical analysis chart pattern. And this is what we need to watch out for. This is extremely important, all right? We need to watch it. Keep support on this, around this 17 level, all right? Now, if it dips down to this 16 level and breaks through it, then we're easily heading down to the 15s. And this is a head and shoulders pattern, as you guys can tell. Here's one shoulder. Here's a head, here's another shoulder. If it dips down and tests this is a key point of support. And we really, really need to watch this area. Because if it breaks through this 1486 level, right where this triple bottom should be, then it's heading down to this 10 level most likely. Alright? But the only way I see this happening is if the meme markets continue to dip. They dipped a little bit, and we have been holding strong in this area, in this 9 to 20. We have been holding strong in this area, so guys, everything is still looking good. Don't give your hopes up on this coin. We are still going to Mars, guys. This is just part of the journey. This is just part of the journey. If it dips down, it's going to be a great time to accumulate bags because think about it. Trillions of dollars are coming into the cryptocurrency markets, and people want to put their money into a coin that will give them a 10 to 30x. And this coin has the ecosystem isn't even out, and when it comes out, that'll just be even more of an incentive for the big whales to dump their bags and push this thing to the moon. It's only at $1 billion market cap. Think about that. That is 1/40th of Shiba Inu. That is 1/40th of Dogecoin right now. That's insane. When Doge was at its peak, it hit 70 billion market cap. This is at 1 billion, guys. And we haven't even came out with our own ecosystem, which is amazing. So, technical analysis wise, this thing is looking, it's looking like we need to wait. We need to wait for a confirmation. Right now would neither be a good time to get in, nor a good time to sell. And this is not financial advice. This is just simply my opinions and what I am doing in these markets. Simply from a crypto billionaire. Let me draw you guys some levels, okay? So we need to watch out for this 18 to 20 level, and that 20 level is extremely important because that's a psychological barrier. We should what we would like to see is a big green candle with volume breaking all of this previous volume down here, moving to the upside and busting through this 19 level. All right, that's what we would love to see. That is a perfect confirmation candle to add to your bags and start averaging in with the 1/4 rule. On this channel, we use the 1/4 rule. That means if you have $1,000 and you see confirmation, boom, drop $250, guys. And then next time you see another confirmation, drop another $250, and just do that until you are completely 100% in your total overall portfolio position size. That is a tongue twister. Okay, guys, this is what we need to look out for on the downside. If the markets continue to move in a negative fashion, then we should see this come down and test this area. Now, this is what we would love to see here. Exactly what happened here. I called this as well. I called this right in this area. I told you guys we're going to drop down to this area, and what we would like to see is a big green candle with volume overbearing all the previous volume, and that is exactly what we saw. So that's what we saw. We moved up to the upside, and that is what we want to see again if we come down here and we're looking for a bullish pattern. So what we'd like to see, let me draw it out for you guys with this brush tool. We would want to see it come down to here, to this 15 level, and then bounce off of that 15 level with volume. That is a confirmation candle to get in. Now, let's say it comes down to the 15 level and just breaks through it real easy with no more buying pressure. That is an extremely strong sign that we are going down to these 10s. All right? And that is that's a sign that we need to watch out for, because if you haven't averaged in yet, then you would want to wait until we reach these 10 levels. If you already have money in up here, then what I am going to do is once we reach these 10 levels, guys, that's 2 times cheaper. I'm averaging in. I'm probably going to average more than 1/4 of my portfolio if it comes all the way down to here. I personally, the only way I see it coming down to here is if these meme markets continue to drop or some drastically negative news comes out of DOGELON Mars. The team is good. The ecosystem is coming together. All of the news is good right now. We're just simply in a consolidation. So guys, this was kind of a boring day. There's not much going on in the markets, not much price action. And the sentiment is kind of calming down, and that is exactly what we love to see. You know why? Because whenever the sentiment calms down, that's when the big money starts looking at these coins and starts to pour in. So guys, if you want, not daily, but semi-weekly, even whenever there's a confirmation, and in order to buy or sell, if you want to get alerts on that, then I have a Patreon link in the description. You can go check that out. It was originally $100 a month, but I really want everyone to get in and just make money. Literally, that's the only point of this Patreon. And if you don't make money within the first 3 months, I'll refund every single penny. So yeah, just shoot me an email at mycryptomoves.com if you're not satisfied, and I'll refund everything that you put in. I'm really just trying to make us all money in these markets because it's free money just sitting out here. And this is not financial advice. This is just simple advice from a crypto billionaire. Guys, have a wonderful day. Peace.